So yeah, man, what's the word, man? What's the word, bro?
What's the word?
What's the
Man,
word?
I'm
Teddy
texting
Willie?
folks that's for the hood on Marketplace, nigga.
Yeah, man. So I ain't gonna lie, as y'all can see, bro, we in the motherfucking rack. You feel me?
Y'all see where the fuck we at?
the Charlie. Oh man. But yeah, bro, I ain't gonna lie. Listen, we was outside yesterday. Ain't gonna lie. You feel me? We was kicking it, cooling
We
outside.
gonna have to roll a clip for they look. You
Yeah,
feel me?
and then you feel me? Motherfuckers was swinging and shit, getting busy, gang. And then out of nowhere, this soggy ass Jeep, bro. Soggy ass Jeep.
Hey, like he said, man.
Look, soggy ass Jeep ran into the front of my shit, G. I'm talking about I'm in the middle of the parking lot, bro. Just myself, bro. Middle of the parking lot, getting busy, bro. And this nigga trying to swing a motherfucking Jeep. Big ass Jeep, bro. And hit my shit, G. What y'all think I should do? Should I total this bitch out or what, man? Yeah, man, motherfuckers hit my shit, y'all. I'm finna show y'all the motherfucking clip, though. We about to tell them what happened, folks.
Man, they ass soggy as hell on my mama, nigga.
Look, check it out, man. My car fucked up, y'all. Motherfuckers soggy as hell. Can't swing. Got my car fucked up.
Ooh,
Look
shit.
at my shit.
Almost stepped in some shit.
Motherfuckers, man.
What?
Hey, this bitch decent. I'll post this one.
Why they do that, y'all? Keeping a roller, some loud ass music. Don't step in that shit.
What?
You said what?
I told y'all bitch ass. I gotta record this bitch.
Maybe y'all gotta get turned. Fucking talking about we all sharing group work. We sharing the group work. You gotta be down for sure.
Bad as hell, gang. Ain't gonna lie. Hell, like, you just got everything else come up. This shit is fucking dumb.
Call me asking about your shit.
He got clipped there. So yeah, man, we got this bitch put back together. We got a brand new hood.
And actually ran a cold air into where this is instead.
We got a brand new fender.
Get it long enough to run it across.
And we got the bumper sitting right on this motherfucker. Oh yeah. Hey, my shit already fucked up. Y'all look at my shit. Bro, I could've. Yeah, I was in the city and I was trying to ride back with my bumper like this. It wasn't fully put on, but my shit started hitting my bumper and it cut my whole. You feel me? Like it cut that whole side. And then this side, bro, I keep rubbing this shit right here. I need to cut this shit. You got a good blade, Grady?
Yeah.
Bro, I need it. Yeah. No. The inside one that keeps rubbing. Yeah. But for the most part, we got the bumper sitting right here. This shit's pushed in a little bit right here. My whole bar was pushed in, bro. You can see a smiley face with my shit. Bro, I got the bumper on myself too. Not fully, it's not on all the way, but we got this bitch looking nice. Yeah, man, got new bumper. I'm about to say what the.
Instead of a plastic tube down here, so the airbox is just a cold container so you burn all of it.
Hell yeah, and then I got a hole right here in my headlight too. Like if you look through, but I also kind of run through there too. Yeah, but like if you take my bumper off, it's kind of just like a hole just sitting
Just
there.
take the whole fucking headlight out. Run the filter to right here. Put like
No
an
headlight?
LED ring on there. Fuck the headlight.
Hell yeah. But yeah, for the most part, this bitch lining up good, y'all.
Honestly, though, that's doable.
We got all the cars outside. I still need a paint job. I still need a paint match my shit. My fender right here was like rubbing and shit. Right here's rubbing. Feel me? But for the most part, bro, we got this bitch looking good. We got the BMW dude, 300 dude. We got baby brother right here. But yeah, man, for the most part, this bitch looking nice. Still need a little bit of more work and shit, but for the most part, we're gonna rock this bitch out like that, man.
Oye, yo siento que tú me dices algo, pero tu Mario te está mirando, tú lo estabas disimulando.